is where it'll end up. Do you think that it's over before it even begins? I don't know where to begin. If this is where it'll end up, do you think that it's over before it even begins? And then you'll wake up in a cold and empty sweat, the middle of the night, from a tree you'll never forget. You're running from the ghost on top of the hill. He's calling your name, he's calling your name. You thought he was gone, but you're away, and you were caught in the middle again. You try, don't know why. Monkey in your head says it doesn't exist. You know in your heart that you feel alive, but when you sing, shout out loud. Cold and empty sweat, the middle of the night, from a tree you'll never forget. And then you'll wake up in a cold and empty sweat, in the middle of the night, from a tree you'll never forget. You're running with the ghost on top of the hill. He's calling your name, he's calling your name. You thought he was gone, but you're away, and you were caught in the middle again. You're running from the ghost on top of the hill.